Good morning, student. Today I am going to discuss chapter 10, Parallel Lines. To understand parallel lines, you must have seen railway tracks. Tracks made by the wheels of a car on a wet, muddy road. Opposite edges of your textbook or opposite edges of the top of your rectangular study table, rectangular blackboard, etc. So they are all pairs of parallel lines. You already know that if two lines in a plane do not intersect each other, they are called parallel lines. If two lines in a plane do not intersect each other, they are called parallel lines. Two lines, the distance between them are equal, they are called parallel lines. And this line is known as transversal. जो तिरछे रूप से दो पैरेलल लाइन को क्रॉस कर रहा है, इट इज नोन एज ट्रांसवर्सल. नाउ let us recall some important properties related to parallel lines. See, that is the parallel line, that is the transversal, naming angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7 and angle 8. Let us recall properties related to parallel lines. This angle and this angle is known as corresponding angle. Angle 1 is equal to angle 5. Angle 2 and angle 6. Angle 3, angle 7. Angle 4, angle 8. It is known as corresponding angles. This angle and this angle, upper side, right side, upper, this angle equal. If that is 60 degree, then it must be a 60 degree. That is 120 degree, it must be 120 degree. That is 60 degree, that is 60 degree. 120 degree, it must be a 120 degree. See, this is known as corresponding angles. Again, angle 3, angle 3, angle 5, angle 4, angle 6. It is known as alternate interior angles. ये दोनों अंदर अंदर, कोने कोने, अंदर अंदर, अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर, क्योंकि इस दोनों लाइन के वो अंदर है. सिमिलरली एंगल 1 एंड एंगल 7, बाहर बाहर, एंगल 1 एंड एंगल 7, एंगल 2 एंड एंगल 8. इट इज नोन एज alternate exterior angles. See carefully. Angle 1, angle 7, angle 2, angle 8. Exterior. This is known as alternate exterior angle. Both are same. Both are same. Similarly, interior angle 3, 5, angle 4, 6. Both are same. And last, angle 3 and angle 6. Angle 3 plus 6 is equal to 180. 3 plus 6. And angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree. This is known as consecutive interior angles. Short form, angle or S we can write. Consecutive interior angle. It is known as allied angle. It is also known as supplementary angles. So we can understand it again. If two parallel lines are cut by transversal, then pairs of corresponding angles are equal, alternate interior angle are equal, alternate exterior angle equal, and interior angle on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. It means the sum of angle 4 and 5 is 180 degree. इसके विपरीत, if a transversal cut a pair of lines, that is not a parallel lines. If a transversal cuts a pair of the lines in such a way that this angle are equal, this angle are equal, this angle are equal, this angle are equal, then we can say it is a parallel lines. दूसरे शब्दों में हम कह सकते हैं कि अगर एंगल 1 एंगल 5 के इक्वल है, एंगल 2 6 के इक्वल है, 3 7 के इक्वल है, 4 8 के इक्वल है, एंड इट फॉलोज corresponding angle, it must be a parallel lines. Second, if angle 3 and angle 5 are equal, angle 4 and 6 are equal, and it follows as a alternate interior angle and alternate exterior angle, then it must be a parallel lines. अगर alternate angle equal होंगे, चाहे वो इंटीरियर हो चाहे एक्सटीरियर होंगे, then it must be a parallel lines. And last, if the sum of interior angles of the same side, if the sum of the interior angle of the same side are supplementary, means 180 degree, angle 4 plus 5 if 180 degree, angle 3 plus 6 is 180 degree, then we can also say that this is a parallel lines. And I am going to discuss worksheet 2 of chapter 10 parallel lines.